Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I am going to give you information about insurance for MRI. Many of the patients are always asking, does health insurance cover diagnostic charges like MRI, X-ray, USG, blood tests? So for that, the answer is yes. Health insurance covers the cost of all diagnostic tests including MRI, CT scan, X-ray, USG, blood tests, as long as they are associated with the patient stay in hospital for at least 24 hours or one night. At least patient has to be admitted 24 hours before you are going for diagnostic tests like MRI, CT scan, X-ray, USG, any of the blood test. Then after you can claim your insurance for this diagnostic test. Okay, so keep in mind at least the patient is admitted in hospital for at least 24 hours, or you can say for a one night. However, any of the diagnostic tests which have been prescribed in the OPD are generally not covered by medical insurance policy. So therefore you have to get admit before you are going for this type of diagnostic tests, MRI, CT scan, X-ray, USG, and all the blood tests. Okay. Many of the patients are asking this type of questions before they are going for MRI scan. Some are asking what is the average cost of MRI with insurance. I can say there is no extra charges if you are having insurance of your MRI or CT scan. Okay, we are not charging any of the extra charges. Our charges are same whether you have insurance or whether you have no insurance. So there is no extra charges for this scan. Another question is, many people are asking which is better, MRI or CT scan. I can say both CT scan and MRI can view internal body structures. Okay, however CT scan uses X-ray whereas MRI uses strong magnetic field and radio waves, and CT scan is more common and less expensive. And I can say MRI produce more detailed images compared to CT scan, and MRI is expensive than CT scan. If your consultant wants detailed images, then only they are going to prescribe you for MRI, or else they can go for CT scan also. Maximum MRIs are done for ligaments, soft tissues, tumors. If patient is having a ligament injury, like he is having trauma in knee joint, shoulder, for that you have to go for MRI, because MRI produce detailed images for these soft tissues and ligaments. So in cases knee joint, shoulder, lumbar spine, for disc, for all this purpose, for all this scan you have to go for MRI. Mainly this video is for MRI and insurance, whether you can claim insurance for MRI. So this was detail provided by me. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.